NaijaFoodTube.
Hello people, welcome to NaijaFoodTube. I'm Kenny. Today, I'll be sharing with you how I prepare my chicken pepper soup. Pepper soup is a spicy soup that has a light watery texture. You can enjoy your pepper soup by eating it alone. You can also enjoy your pepper soup with boiled rice, boiled plantain, boiled yam, and even agidi. For this cooking, I'll be using the following ingredients. I have here some sliced chicken, pepper soup spice, black pepper, crayfish, onion, scent leaf, seasoning cube, salt. I'll start by pouring my sliced chicken into a pot. I'll add some salt. I'll add some seasoning cube. I'll add some onion. I'll add some water. And cover and allow it to boil for like 15 minutes. After boiling my chicken for 15 minutes, I'll continue by adding a little more water because I want to get enough water from my pepper soup. The chicken has already absorbed part of the water. Okay, I'll continue by pouring in my spice, that's the powder. I'll add some black pepper. I'll add my crayfish. I like putting a lot of it because it will also serve as a thickener, for my pepper soup. I'll cover and allow it to cook for like 5 minutes. Finally, I'll add my sliced scent leaf. Yes, I'll cover and allow it to cook for like 5 minutes. And yippee, my chicken pepper soup is ready. You can actually enjoy your pepper soup by taking this alone. You can enjoy it this way. And you can also enjoy your pepper soup with white rice, just like I said earlier, boiled plantain, agidi, or even boiled yam. This is very, very fast. I hope you try this because it's very fast and it's really, really, really tasty. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.
NaijaFoodTube.